Hi, this is Adam with Versatrans, and in this video we're going to talk about the differences between our error-proof transfers and our full color fusion direct-to-film transfers, and which one is the right choice depending on the type of project that you're printing. Error-proof transfers are screen-printed transfers that allow you to decorate garments with custom designs using only a heat press. They use plastisol ink, which is also an industry standard because it's durable and has that soft-to-the-touch feel. Now, when it comes to choosing colors for your custom designs, another industry standard is the Pantone color system, or PMS for short. They're pre-mixed colors using precise formulas, and you choose which color you want applied to your design. Your design is then transferred to a screen using emulsion. Now, that emulsion blocks ink from passing through certain areas of the screen, while the unblocked areas of the screen allows ink to pass through, creating your design on a piece of transfer paper that is then shipped to you. Now here's the key point that differentiates EPT from FCF. The screen used to print EPT works only with vector artwork, or artwork that is generated by mathematical formulas, resulting in clean lines, so that no matter how close you zoom in, you can see a clear distinction where the ink will pass through and where it will be blocked once the artwork is transferred to a screen with the emulsion. This is different than raster images such as photographs, which create tonal shifts rather than clean lines. Or in other words, images that if you tried to transfer them to a screen with emulsion, they would need certain areas to allow, let's say, 50% of ink to pass through rather than 100%. But a screen can't do that. The ink is either going to go through or it's not. There's no halfway. And that's why EPT requires vector artwork. So how do you transfer raster artwork or photorealistic images to garments? Well, that's where FCF comes in. FCF, or full color fusion, are direct-to-film transfers that also allow you to decorate garments with custom designs using only a heat press, but rather than being printed with plastisol ink and Pantone colors, they're printed using CMYK colors, which are similar to what you'd find in your inkjet printer at home. And because the artwork for FCF is digitally printed rather than transferred to a screen with emulsion, the printhead can combine the cyan, magenta, yellow, and black inks to print any color or tonal shifts that you would find in a raster or image-based artwork. Once the artwork is printed onto a special film, it's coated in a clear plastisol ink to give it that soft-to-the-touch feeling that you get with our EPT transfers. So to recap, for error-proof transfers, remember that they're screen printed, so think clean lines, gradients that are still produced using clean lines when you zoom in, because that ink is either going to go through the screen or it's not. For full color fusion direct-to-film transfers, remember they're digitally printed, so think photorealistic images and tonal shifts between colors rather than clean lines. I hope this video helps when it comes to deciding which custom heat transfers to order from Versatrans. I'll also leave a link to our website in the description below, where you can get more info about our artwork guidelines, our competitive pricing, and our super fast turnaround times. Also, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.